What's up guys, it's your boy Nathan back with another video. Match day 31, English Premier League. Let's get into it. First up we have Man City taking on Leeds United. Man City coming off of a really good win in the weekend. Carried their form onto the Champions League match. Really played well there too. Someone needs to stop them. I don't know, they're looking like they're going to go for a quadruple. And Marcelo Bielsa's men are very active. They're very aggressive team. They will be constantly attacking, but Man City is not the team you want to do that to. So therefore I can't see any possibility of Leeds getting anything out of this other than hopefully a draw, a score draw. Maybe Man City falls down a little bit, a slight hiccup, and gets a draw. But I think Man City is going to win 2-0. Then we have 7th place Liverpool taking on 9th place Aston Villa. Liverpool's had a bit of a hiccup speaking of the Champions League, they had a big hiccup. They lost to Real Madrid quite convincingly. They seem to yo-yo through their form as of late. A win, a loss, a win, a loss. They are struggling a little bit. And Aston Villa, they kind of thrashed them the last time they played each other, and it's going to be interesting to see. Liverpool will definitely be out for revenge, although who knows what Liverpool side is going to show up. So I think Liverpool gets it done, but just about it. I think it's going to be a tight game though. Liverpool 2-1. Then we have a battle of top four teams. We have 4th place West Ham taking on 3rd place Leicester. This is a fantastic game if you're 1 and 2 in the league, because there's a good possibility that they're going to cancel each other out. Jesse Lingard's in great form. Jamie Vardy always is clinical if you give him a chance, give him an opportunity, and he will score. He's that predatory, he's that elite of a finisher. I have a strange feeling they're going to cancel each other out, but I still favor Leicester to win possibly. West Ham, they kind of beat the other teams, but they don't really have a good record against the people who are currently in the top 4. So it's going to be interesting to see if they can get over that hump and beat Leicester. But I think Leicester to win 3-1. Then we have Tottenham Hotspurs taking on my team, Manchester United. Manchester United have to get revenge. There's no ifs, ands or buts about it. We got thrashed. Eric Lamela did something diabolical. He dived, basically, he pretended, got Anthony Martial a red card. That was the beginning for worse things to come. I think we lost 6-1 or something. It was a terrible game. We have to get them back. Tottenham have this thing where they get a lead and then they bottle it in towards the end. I'm looking forward to them doing that this week with us, because give us a chance and we will score. We're very clinical on the counter attack, and I think we're going to get things done. I'm going to say 2-1 Manchester United. We have the final game of the week. 12th place Crystal Palace taking on 5th place Chelsea. Chelsea kind of bottled the league last week against West Brom, and they bounced back convincingly against Porto. They're looking to bounce back in the league as well. What a perfect team to take on Crystal Palace, the fellow London rivals. I think 2-0 to the Chelsea, and they're going to bounce back from their last terrible league loss. And the first one of Thomas Tuchel's reign, by the way. So Chelsea to win. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, guys. And I will see you in the next one.